accusing BJP of forging a supposed toolkit in the name of Congress. The opposition party Tuesday moved to file an FIR against the BJP leadership and said the saffron outfit is using fabrication to distract the people from the government's failure on the pandemic front. Cyclone Taukte weakened into a depression and lay centered over South Rajasthan and adjoining the Gujarat region on Wednesday morning, the India Meteorological Department said. Following the rules of COVID by Congress people led by MLA Neeraj Sharma and former MLA Lalit Nagar, directed by Haryana Congress President Kumari Seljaji, Deputy Commissioner Mr. Yashpal Yadav was given a memorandum in his camp office on the following point. The farmer of the state peacefully protested against the Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar, on 16 May to take his voice to the ears of the government. The French are expected to flock to restaurants, museums and cinemas when they reopen on Wednesday, but bad weather and social distancing may cast a pall over scenes of people toasting a return to a semi-normality after months of COVID-19 curbs. Amid high-octane political drama over CBI arresting West Bengal minister, the Supreme Court on Tuesday sought Mamata Banerjee government's response within a week to a PIL by kin of two of the 18 murdered BJP workers for a court-monitored SIT CBI probe into a post-poll mayhem allegedly unleashed by TMC workers. Even as Cyclone Taukte gradually weakens into a deep depression after leaving a trail of destruction in west coastal states in the 24 hours, there was an early indication of another system being formed by the Bay of Bengal, which may hit India's eastern coast around May 27. Lalganj outpost in charge Rajganj Prabhakar Shukla gave strict instructions from Bhopal, Chhapra Chatti under Lalganj and Lalganj town to impose social distance marks, as well as meeting the officials of the Board of Trades and told them to follow the global epidemic guidelines in the market. People's work to take cooperation from us wherever they want. India is keeping close tabs on the summer exercise launched by the People's Liberation Army in its depth area facing eastern Ladakh, even as it maintains operational readiness of reserve force to ensure China does not try anything at a time when the country is battling the COVID-19 pandemic. A day after gusty winds and extremely heavy rain lashed the city and its suburbs due to Cyclone Taukte, the highest for the month of May, the weather tiered. Medical aspirants seeking admissions to MD/MS courses in the 2022 to 2023 academic year are likely to have 601 more seats to choose from in government colleges in Maharashtra. Actress Shruti Hassan believes being a public figure, she can easily be misunderstood. However, she hopes to continue to speak her mind with confidence irrespective of what people perceive of her.